pulled it up here to 100th Street and West End Avenue. I wanted to see if I could get this sound that I seem to have failed to do last time. See, this is the only CityBridge phone I know of with dial tone. That doesn't mean it's the only one, it's just the only one I know of.
Verizon Wireless. Please hold while your call is transferred to an external operator, or you should be able to complete your call with a credit card, calling card, or via collect call, announcement, and switch.
Yeah, sounds good. Just for my reference, how long ago was the EWR stuff on the books?
Or you should be able to complete your call with a credit card, calling card, or via collect call, announcement, and switch to Dash 8. You are roaming. To call your mobile carrier or any other phone number, purchase a calling PIN by pressing 1 now. To make a collect phone, a landline phone, dial 2 now. To hear the main menu again, press 1. To activate your existing phone, press 2.
As long as I'm up here. I haven't done this in a while. I'm at 99th and Broadway, Upper West Side. Just wanted to see if these things still don't work. The Find Your Way thing is supposed to direct you to coffee locations in your immediate vicinity. So I'm at 99th and Broadway. Where does this machine think I am? What is that? Yeah, Bryant Park. Sorry, Charlie. That's really not useful. It doesn't say anywhere on these machines that Find Coffee is supposed to direct you to coffee shops nearby, but that's the assumption, isn't it? I think they do say that, they do stipulate that in press materials or maybe even on their website. Let's see where the nearest ATM is, according to this thing. Yeah, we're down by Bryant Park again. What is it about Bryant Park? These things are obsessed with Bryant Park. Here's another one down at 96th by the subway. I don't need to find a restroom. I quit pooping a long time ago. Yep, same thing. It insists that the nearest coffee to 96th Street and Broadway is down by Bryant Park. This used to work. I swear it did, but and you may find instances where it still does, but it just seems like such an easy thing to get right. But this could confuse the hell out of a lot of tourists.